Hey, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. I wanted to swing by and look at your home in order to get you a proper quote here. Roscoe, Illinois, Promontory Ridge, and I see that you got lots of debris in the gutters, and you have pretty much all pine trees around your home. So that creates a couple of challenges when it comes to gutter covers and protection. More often than not, there's like this gutter helmet with a bull nose. It's like a Leaf X type system. But in order to install that properly, you need to install the new gutters and the bullnose type system at the same time, so that the gutters are at the proper height. Right now you'd have to rip all your gutters in order to qualify for that. So it may not be the best investment for you right now. So is another gutter screen system where it's like a super fine stainless steel mesh. And the roofing granulars that fall off your roof and even the pine needles can't fit into it. But in order to install that, it's going to create a couple of problems. One problem is that the holes are so fine that oftentimes the water just runs right off the screen. Like that rain we had last night, there's no amount of the rain is so fast and coming so quickly, it just runs right off the screens. And then oftentimes you're going to be dealing with issues where in your valleys here and other places around your house, the debris is just going to sit right in that corner. So you're going to have me come back here every year or so just to remove debris off the top of your house. I'm really not going to suggest that steel mesh screen for you guys. I personally, I don't like it because I can never service it. If you call me and say, I don't know, my gutters aren't working right, I'm kind of forced to like take it apart. And so if you want to look at the video where my gutter cleaning quote is, the premium package would include us putting in these gutter sticks. It's actually a downspout gutter filter, and I think that might be the best option for you for in between cleaning. For roughly $500 a year, twice a year, we can come out here, clean your gutters at the end of at the beginning of summer and at the end of fall. So I think regular gutter cleaning and maintenance is the best key for you for a while, until you're interested in going down that route of the other gutter covers. But I've been in the gutter cleaning industry for the last 8 years, and I've seen every gutter cover out there, and there is no maintenance free solution, unfortunately. So as much as I would love to give you a great option, it really doesn't exist. So I'm not going to give you a quote for gutter screens, but take a look at the video down below for the premium gutter sticks that we have, and that should be a good solution for you to keep your gutters flowing while they fill up with pine needles and debris. And oftentimes with upper sections of your home, we don't really need gutter covers all the way up there, and then it's dangerous to install. But cleaning your home would be fairly simple. We would just go up there with a power washer and blow everything out safely and effectively. So I got a chance to look at the patio in the back of the house. I'll get you a quote for that, and clean out the gutters. And if you'd like for us to install those gutter sticks, which is my suggestion, would be the best in-between solution for keeping your gutters flowing. Would you rather have a tennis ball or a pine cone right over your downspout? So any questions you have, feel free to call or text me on my personal cell, 815-520-6020, and we'll be here to help you. This is all we do in the Roscoe, Rockton area, and we really appreciate working for you. And we'll talk to you soon. Take care.